Yesterday, during AMSAT India live members online meeting, somebody mentioned this radio, ICOM IC905. I had heard about that radio earlier also from my ham friends when I inquired about a commercial radio capable of working Qatar Oscar 100 Q100 amateur radio satellite, that is the geostationary satellite. I thought of having a look at this radio on the DX Engineering website. Please note that I am not linked to the website or the company, but of curiosity I am having a look at it. So this is the picture, and it works on VHF, UHF and SHF, super high frequency. You can see this band. This 5 GHz band is authorized in VU-LAN as per the WPC specifications, but I have not seen anybody operating in that band, maybe because the radios are a bit expensive. Anyway, this is the basic cutoff, upper cutoff region of the radio, and there is an option for a transverter to work Q100, that is the 10 GHz band. That's what I found out by reviewing. And this is the control head of the radio, and you can see that it is connected to a LAN cable and LAN port, that is something like an RJ45. This will go to the RF head. I'll show that. This is the controller once again, and this is the RF module. The advantage of this separate RF module is that this is weatherproof and can be mounted on top of the tower, so that there is no loss between the RF module, or rather very minimal loss between RF module and the antenna. That's important when you go higher up in the frequencies like 10 GHz for Qatar Oscar 100 reception. And this is a close-up view of the controller on the opposite side. Two sides are seen, but I won't go into the details because I'm not likely to purchase this one in near future. Out of curiosity, I am just having a look at it. And this is the RF module. There is a LAN port here. You can see the LAN is connected. RF module once again. And this is interesting. There are 4 antenna ports, one for GPNS or any other global navigation system antenna connector. This is an SMA connector. Then 140, 430 and 1200 gigahertz band, not 1200 gigahertz, 1200 megahertz band, that is the 23 centimeter. For that, it's an N connector socket, and for 2.4 gigahertz SMA, 5.6 gigahertz also SMA, and LAN controller cable, 10 megahertz reference output BNC, ACC socket. Then this is how they are mounting it. This is the RF module, and this is an optional 10 gigahertz transverter option. Another beautiful picture of mounting. This is setups. 2 ways it can be used at home. It can be used mounted on the tower and the dish antenna is there. And this connection is by LAN cable, Cat6 cable. If you are operating from the car, same thing can be used. From the car, you can have a LAN cable onto this RF module. This is another view, LAN cable going up. From the RF module to the antenna, it's a coaxial cable. Various modes are there: SSB, CW, FM, AM, RTTY, DVDD, and amateur television is also there. All these modes are shown here. It's a very advanced radio, I would say. Something which I would dream of, but due to economic constraints, I may not be able to purchase in near future. Moreover, all these modes are not very popular in this region, not the SSPC WFM, the other higher like ATV. There are people operating DATV, Digital Amateur Television, on Qatar Oscar 100. There's very few in this region. And it's possible to transmit and receive video with the IC905. There are people using IC9700 satellite specific receivers in this region, a few of them. And there are people using the younger or older brother of IC905, that is the IC705 portable radio, also being there in our country.